Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Understanding the This Keyword. So in this episode, we are going to dive deeper into how arrow functions work with the this keyword and understand the behavior depending on the context that it is defined in. So arrow functions in JavaScript are very popular because of their shorter syntax and how they handle the this keyword differently from regular functions. But that difference can sometimes be confusing. So I'm going to break it down and show you when and how to use the arrow functions effectively, so that you won't run into any unexpected bugs. So, first off, before we go ahead, I need to explain something. We are going to understand, or I'm going to explain rather, how arrow functions work with how it inherits the lexical this, or how it lexically inherits its value. So, in JavaScript, regular functions define their own this, meaning that the value of this is determined by how the function is called. But compared to arrow functions, they don't have their own this. Instead, they lexically inherit the value of these from their surrounding context. So what does that mean? It means that their values, that's the these defined in arrow functions, the value is defined by the scope that they are defined in. So this behavior makes arrow functions perfect for scenarios or situations where you want to preserve the these from the outer context. So I'm going to explain this by no pun intended. I'm going to explain how this will work. We already have a person object, so we're going to use this person object to explain the difference between defining the or reading the value of the this keyword in a regular function compared to the arrow function. So let's create some. So I'm going to define a set timeout. I'm going to type a set timeout function where the greet function will be called, but the console log will be surrounded by set timeout function. So let's start like this: set timeout function. We're using the regular function, by the way. Let's take this and put it inside the set timeout. And how many milliseconds do we give it now? Let's say 1000 milliseconds, right? Uh, so we come over here and do person dot greet. So we're trying to call the greet method now from the person object. As you can see here, in the console returns, hi, my name is blank. The reason why this is happening is because in this case, set timeout is a regular function call, and because set timeout belongs to the browser API, which points to the global object. Like I said initially, these keywords in regular functions are defined based um, on how they are called. Now, in this particular scenario, it is called by setTimeout function, which is um, the browser API. In this case, setTimeout is a regular function and it is called inside the callback, which is the global object, which is also known as the window object in browsers. Since the this keyword does not refer to the person object anymore, this or name is undefined, right? Because when you say, hi, my name is this dot name, JavaScript checks where the this keyword was defined, it checks it and says, oh, okay, it is defined in the setTimeout. setTimeout belongs to the browser API, and it goes to the global object and searches for the name property, but it can't find the name property, so it returns empty here. To solve this, um, we can store what some programmers would do is save uh, the this keyword in that's save the this keyword in a variable outside the setTimeout, so that when it is being used inside the setTimeout, it refers to the current this object. So we can do this by saying const self equal to this. So what we are doing here, we are storing the reference of the object, the person object, inside a constant value, which is self. Now if we come over here and do self.name, we would get Alice. As you can see here, the value of name property is now showing as Alice, right? So this solves the problem. So by storing the value of this in self, we are able to use it inside the callback function and reference the correct person object, right? This workaround works, but it can be very clunky. Yeah. So thank you for watching. In the next episode, I'm going to show you the arrow function example and how it works. Thank you for watching, and also please do subscribe. Bye.